Hi, can you explain how in various situations can get over my sadness? It happens to us that the things we enjoy, like in sports a person we like is not playing or gets retired. A sadness occurs to us in real life when we like the company of a person, he or she left us. In the case of death of a person, a child going farther from their parents, all these and many more situations bring sadness to us. But in this case I have found that being thankful for the time we was able to see a player, spent time with a person, and realizing that life has not come with any guarantee, in fact it is always unpredictable, we are immediately able to change our feelings. Gratitude that I was able to see this player or actor and felt joyous. We can thank God and the persons which give us happiness. It was great to enjoy them, and instead of sad I am grateful that I got the opportunity. When a person leaves us we can be grateful that we were able to spend good time together, and we are able to learn many good things from the person which will stay with us for a lifetime. It may be that we have not met, it happened and it lasted, we can see from this side and be grateful. When we see death of our near ones we are very sad, and it is indeed most difficult moments of life. We can remember that we being sad will give painful vibration to the body leaving us, and it would not help in his next journey. So we can remember his good things, learn from them, and we can be grateful that we got the opportunity to spend so much life together. Many people in this world do not have this OP. Whenever we are sad about them we can remember and learn from the soul leaving us, and very thankful to God and the person leaving us. Slowly but surely we will be able to create gratitude only. Many children in today's world leave their parents for job, marriage, and for settling in foreign countries, and the parents fear as they are growing up that they will leave us. Parents feel very sad when their children are not able to live with them. Sometimes they are anguished as they expected their children to support them and take care of them and love them. It is not the question of being who is right or wrong, but as a parent I feel, to remove sadness from their life they should be grateful. They can think it was great that they have a child, they were given the opportunity to raise the child, spend great moments with them, and according to karmic accounts it was the time they were able to spend together. They can be thankful internally to the child and God for such time. Question of expectations is raised many times, but I feel that parents by expecting from their children are inviting pain only. They should be grateful for time spent, bless their child, and keep blessings without any expectations. When children will not feel pressure and receive vibrations of love, it will give more chance of their coming back and will save them from sadness. It is something that can be somewhat difficult, but it is easy as compared to handling sadness. This response can become natural with time, and they will be able to live a happy life. Please share your experiences if you have replaced sadness with gratitude.